New meter KOMAX km-199B plus. It is a German band kemaisi company limited product. It 10,000 count 9999 digit. It is a Cat4 600 watt and Cat3 1000 watt meter. Battery use is a 6F22 9 watt battery. Size is 180 times 80 times 50 mm. Weight is 380 gram, include the battery. Test pan is 82 cm long. It's Cat3 1000 watt, 10 m PVC cable, and 4 mm jack. It DC watt is 0.001 watt to 1000 watt. AC watt is 0.001 watt to 750 watt. It ACM is 1 microamp to 20 m. DCM is 1 microamp to 20 m. Frequency is 0.001 Hz to 9.999 MHz. Duty cycle function is 0.1 to 99.9%. Resistor range is 0.1 ohm to 60 megaohm. Continuity when lesser than 50 ohm may be sung on. Die test function output is 3 watt, about 1 milliamp. You have a transistor test function. Capacitor is 0.001 nanofarad to 99.99 megafarad. And the temperature range is minus 20 degrees C to 1000 degrees C. You have a whole key, backlight, and the NCV, and have a battery low display when the meter come to 7.5 watt DC display. Okay, let's see the meter inside. That is the meter. They have a test pan and a chip temperature sensor. Come with a 9 watt 6F22 battery in a Chinese user menu. And let's see the Chinese user menu first. And this meter is made in China. And then this the KOMAX high-end model. Okay. This is the test pen. They have a cap in the tip and very soft. But this tap pen printed in 100 watt, not 1000 watt. I don't know this test pen have within of the 1000 watt. It is a fault of this test pen of this company. 100 watt. Oh, it's just a joke of this test pen. And this use mini 4mm jet. And this meter is auto function with a engine. That is okay of the engine. And the winning angle is not very well. When you're not in the facing position, you cannot see the digit. And then they have a magnet. The magnet of posted in the metal case for testing. That's okay. Then there's inside this is a battery compartment. You can use the Phillips screw to open it insert the battery. Okay. Let's see the function. Now it's a DC voltage test. .5 watt. ISO 2.499 watt. 5 watt. ISO 4.997 watt. 7.5 watt. ISO 7.497 watt. And 10 watt. ISO 9.994 watt. Okay. Let's see the AC voltage test. Is 220. Now this meter. This meter shows 220.1 watt or 4 watt. Okay, the AC voltage test finished. And test the Hertz function. It's all 50 Hertz. And test the Hertz. Fruit also 50. and the percentage is 49.9. And let's see the food. It's so 50. Okay. This meter. Okay. Let's see another function. Let's see the resistor testing. In auto function. There may be 0. Stop the test fan. 1 ohm is so 1 ohm. 10 ohm is so 10 ohm. 10.1 or 2 or 3. Okay. 10.04K is so 10.02. 20.02K is so 19.99 or 98. Okay. 100K is so 100.4. is same. 0.5K is so 505.8 is okay. 1.997 met is so 1.992 met. 5 met is so 4.994 met. 10.87 met is so 10.66 met. Is so far of testing the resistor. 22.3 met is so 21.86 met is okay. Okay, let's see the continuity. It can use a time for latching and have a B sound. It makes about 87 or 86. Okay. Its response latching very slow of this meter. It found that no any sound. One, two, about 3 sound. About 3 maybe beyond. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And let's see the meter of the testing the LED light up. No. You can select the die function. Okay, now in die function, we test die first. And normal die. It's okay. The normal die. And see light on the LED. You can light on. And so 1.8 volt. Still 1.8 volt. Good. All the LED I can light up. It's okay. Well. And now we'll see the capacitor. Now it's 10 mil. It's still 10.6 mil. It's not very far of this meter. 1000 mil. It's so 1.131 megafarad. It's not very far of testing the capacitor. Now see our big one. It's so 4.494 or 4.492. Let's see another meter. Reading. There's a fourth. It's so 4.47. It's about. It's okay. Let's see another function. Let's see the meter NCV function. It's about 2 bar, 3 bar. In the surface, this is okay for sensing. About 3 cm or 2 cm for sensing the light part of this meter. Okay, let's see the NCV for testing the hot wire. You can find the hot wire. Earth, no function. Neutral, no function. Hot is function. Okay. Let's see the back test lead. F no function, F no function, and the life is open, have function. You can check the life part of this meter. F and neutral only 1B. When touching, you can find the light part. Sometimes have 1 bar for the neutral. F, okay. This function test finished. Let's see another. DC current test. Now we use a weapon 20 milliamp weapons testing. This meter shows 20.16 milliamp. We see the foot. The foot is a 20.061 milliamp. Okay. And now see the big current. When in the big current, they have a list of this not over the time. This one. Testing the current. Now testing the current of this meter. It's so 3.039 M. Okay, let's see the fruit. DCM. Fourth is a 3.0076 or 4. It really need a reading of the foot of this meter. 3.36, 38, 39. Sorry, it's okay. DC current test finished. See another function. Temperature testing. Use a chip temperature sensor. First put in, maybe have a B sound. Then maybe select the function. To the temperature sensor. Now room temperature about 30 degrees. Now we see the temperature rising. That are 40 is okay. Okay, let's see the cooling. Cooling water. Now cooling water is about 8 degrees. Now see the sensor. Now is 11. It's so 8 degrees. Okay. Okay. It's same as the temperature sensor. Okay, temperature test finished. And let's see the meter another function. They have a whole key and a backlight. This is a backlight function. And this NCV, and the top function. Now in its top function. But this meter have a problem. When we want to cancel the function, that may be very hard. Only power off. Maybe the fast way. And then they have a transistor testing function. And when you use this meter test the transistor, maybe first in the auto mode. In auto mode, we will find the transistor. There's a BC548 transistor. It's a NPN transistor. When you can find the transistor, the which is the B, which is the C, which is the E. Now we test it. There's a NPN. There's NPN. There's then in the middle is a base. And when we put in this one, we can find the reading of FE. It's 387 HFE. Okay. Let's see another function. Meter teardown. They come with a soft case. And have a magnet. This one. A soft case. And a hanger. Battery compartment. That very simple. Only 4 pieces of screw in the backside. It have battery cap. This one, and the backside no any shielding on it. Like this, no any shielding. And this meter, the buzzer cover with paper, and this is a LCD controller, the main IC, and the big die, and the control relay, and a PTC, and fuse. These are 80 milliamp fuse, and current of this meter, and then we open it. There is the inside part, and this is the key. It is the back side. They have a huge LCD, and they have a transistor part. And the downside, no any component, only a circuit board. We power the backlight. Oh, the backlight is full of two of the cable. And the downside, no any other. Only have a skin of this one. There's a LCD skin. That is the downside. no any component, only a backlight with 2 cables and a huge LED and the NCV antenna. Okay, let's see again the inside. Okay, let's see the KOMAX of NCV. First put on this NCV. Now it's NCV. It about 2 cm of the NCV. It not very well of the NCV, but touching the wrist, they have a 3 or 4 bar of this meter, and only 1 or 2 cm needles width can sensing the NCV. Okay.